This is Mellow John. I got a package from Revik and Drucifer. Their project called Clawhammer, Coven. Worship Satan and Kill Yourself EP. I love the casing for it. It came with lyrics and the band with the two guys on it. This. Here's the CD. And here's the back. Track listing. Very amazing stuff. We have a little ad for the new album I got last year called Eat Pussy for Satan CD from last year. And also they gave me a little sampler or something of this. I don't know what it is yet, but I want to listen to it. And they also gave me this one too. Undivided, The Way Things Were. See, I never heard of them before. Until now, I'll give them a try because they add to the packaging. Here's the track listing. But man, if it's like Mordred Red's main product, like if it's like Mordred Red, it's gonna be good CD, man. Miller rolls.